Is Ali Sharifara, and I'm going to create uh, our first Java program in this video. But before we get started, we need to know how to run a Java program. Um, so actually, we need to install an SDK for running a Java program, and also we need to have an IDE, right? So the SDK or software development kit for Java is JDK. So we need to install a JDK, which is Java Development Kit, right? And also for the IDE, there are several options. So IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment and is a software application which provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. And an IDE is normally consists of at least a source code editor, build automation tools, and a debugger. For writing a Java program, there are several options. We can use Eclipse, we can use NetBeans, we can use IntelliJ IDEA, etc. There are several options, but in this video, I'm going to use IntelliJ IDEA, which is one of the best IDEs for writing Java programs. So we can go to Google and just search IDEA, and the very first result, which is from jetbrains.com, you can click on this part, and after that you can click on download. And as you see here, there are several options for downloading IntelliJ IDEA. If you are a Windows user, you can click on Windows here, and either you can choose community or ultimate version. The community version is free and it's open source. It it also supports some other programming languages as well. Also, it can be used for Android programming, but the community version does not support some advanced features. But for most of the basic parts for Java programming, the community version is more than enough. And also, if you're a Linux user, you can click on Linux. You still can see the community and ultimate version. And if you are a Mac user, of course, you can click on Mac and you can download the community version which we are going to use. So it just simply can click on download. It starts downloading. I have already installed. It may take some time to download, and after that you need to just click on the file and install it. Once you have installed IntelliJ IDEA, you can just open IntelliJ IDEA, and in this page we can click on new project, and there are several options here. So as I said before, IntelliJ IDEA is not only for writing Java programs. We can use it for different programming languages, for Android programming, and some other features as well. So I'm going to use Java, and this part, as I mentioned earlier, we need to have an SDK, right? So the SDK for Java is JDK, or we can say it's Java Development Kit. You may or may not see these versions here, but for downloading the JDK, if you don't see, you can click on JDK, and in this window you can see that there are different vendors for providing different versions of the JDK. For example, if you click on Adopt Open JDK, as of today, the latest version for the JDK is 15. You can download it. Simply click on download, or you can use different vendors as well. It doesn't have much differences. So I have already downloaded. I'm going to use version 14, which I previously downloaded. And after that, I can click on next. In this page, there is one option here, create project from template. as this is our very first program in Java, and we are going to write it from scratch. We are not going to use any kind of template. I just click on next, and in this part I need to provide the name for the project, and the project name is Hello World. I click on finish, and it may take a couple of seconds to prepare the project, right? So, and after that you can click on the project in case it was collapsed. So you can just open this part, and there are a bunch of files and folders here. We just click on the project name, and in the source folder we can right click and choose a class, right? So in Java, before I choose a name for the class, in Java we can organize our codes by introducing the package, right? So we can have different packages for different part of the application. So simply I can write the package name here. It will be hello world. So this part which I have added here is considered as the package name, and if I write any name at the end of this, it will be considered as the class name. And also, as you see here, there are different versions of classes. We can create just a simple class. We can create an interface, enum, annotation, etc. I will be talking about the other type of classes in Java in upcoming sessions, but for now we just leave it as class, and this is our class name. I press enter, and IntelliJ IDEA is smart enough to differentiate between the package name and also the class name. All right, so here I have our first program or our first class. Whatever I write between these two braces will be included in this class, and all we need to do here is to add the main method. And I'm going to write main here, and I press enter. It will add some code in this class, public static void main strings, arguments, etc. So I will be talking about different parts of this function in the upcoming sessions, but for now you just simply delete these ones. So you just simply need to write main and press enter. It will create this from live template, so it will generate this method or function for us. And all I need to do here, I need to print hello world on the screen. For that I need to write system.out.print, and there are different versions of print function. I'm going to use println, and for writing a string on the screen I need to use double quotation. So it will be hello world. All right, we are all set. We have written our very first class. We have included our main function, and also we have added the println or print function in the main function. All right, and another way of writing this line by using the live template, we can write s out and then press enter. It will add system.out.println. So I just need to write hello world again. All right, so we can save our project and then I can click on this play button here, run hello world. It may take some time to compile the application, and after that the output will be shown in the console. So as you see here, this is our result. Yeah, that is um, the way that we can create a Java program. So I hope you have enjoyed creating your very first Java program, and I will see you in the next tutorial with adding some more complex, or I can say more uh, more features or more functionalities to this very simple application. So it just prints hello world, but we expect to have uh, more from our Java application. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.